morning, everybody. Good morning, my Benzinga folks. What's shaking bacons? HLBC is the big focus for everybody this morning. It is wackadoodle. We got some lower bids, but we're taking it very slow because this thing could get halted right after the opening. SDC, we added at 6:30 yesterday, and we sold at 6:70 today. So we still have a swing trade in SDC, but we're trading around it. Bros is on our radar this morning. We got a small little marker out there, 51.50. So this thing's could be wackadoodle. Let's get a real order at 48.50 in Bros. In case we spike down $4. Unless you will forget me not. 48.50. Highs are going back down. Well, we couldn't hold that 437 level. Yeah, it's kind of just sitting. Kind of just sitting. Up 5K shorting HLBC? How the hell do you do that? You better be in and out quick, right? Yes, we got the Fed meeting tomorrow. So we'll probably be slower in the afternoon, I would think. I'm not looking at AMC. Yeah, we'll keep our eyes on it, but not something that I'm going to focus on this morning. 42.50 could be a little short in AMC early. We'll see. Bros, if we get to 48.50, Ken, I'll probably be long a couple of thousand shares, but 50 cents. Yeah, that's down $4 from here. It's not going to happen. But if it does, I would probably grab a bunch of it, especially if it happens on the opening. Richard, if you're up $5,000, I would turn my machine off and go home. Morning, Corey. Yes, QS is on our radar this morning. This thing finally woke up. It's been so bad for so long. Might look at some options in this. Above 24 would be really positive. I don't know if I want to run in and buy the stock all the way up here, but we'll see what happens. Welcome to the private. How many people in my private trading room are visiting us from Benzinga? Please let me know. Myrna. Already doing its wackadoodle stuff. It held the 424 level early, Kent. In Myrna. Giving you a $2 trade. Welcome, Danny and Frank, Tony. Anyone I'm forgetting? A couple of Tonys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the last week we have visitors. Next week is our boot camp. Gotcha, Anthony. You got scared and canceled Myrna. All right. DKNG. Take a peek. That's a bad sale. Donkey Kong. Whoa, is there news out in Donkey Kong, guys? I mean, DraftKings. This thing just spiked down. Spike down, spike up. Huh. Something going on in DKNG. That was a real sale down at 54, and it just spiked up to 58. Something's happening. I don't know what. It's all over the place. They got a patent. Why did it spike down $2? It's weird. Myrna, where are you going? 423.56 early. All right, be careful. Donkey Kong's doing stock offering. Ah, okay. Got it. Yes, you can only watch so many tickers. That is correct. Especially early in the morning when things are a little wackadoodle-ski. Bros coming in. All right. Again, 51.50 is just a little marker. I love 48.50. HLBZ is doing nothing. Which one will you get off the opening, Kurt? Yeah, I'll keep it small. Let's see what happens. Let the madness begin. Oh, Donkey Kong's buying another company. Got it. Got it. Again, guys, we're not committing to anything very, very early. Let's just see what happens here. Everything's a marker right now, unless Bros goes to 48.50 on the opening. SQ, nothing this morning. Just chopping around, not doing much of anything. That was the bell already? Holy mackerel. We're off. No pullback in HLBC yet. Wow, did the market open? Holy mackerel. Myrna. What do we got in Myrna, Ken? You got anything down here? 420 will be $5 below the moving average. Let's put a little marker. And we'll look. QS 2250. Yeah, that looks good for a little early trender. Bros is hanging, doing nothing. HLBC, rippy dippy. Couldn't pull down to anything, HLBC, right? Damn. How many days do you live chat a week? Oh, I have my private trading room where we're trading every single day, all day. I am with Benzinga Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesday mornings. UPST pivot point. Let's look. Oh, you mean it already hit the pivot point? Oh, that doesn't do us much good, Adam, because we weren't out there. EDSA, I got nothing. I don't see anything. I wouldn't mess with that right now. VIXI spiking. Yeah, the spiders could not hold that 437 level, so that was a big spot. Bros, let's look. Okay. Well, we love that 48.50 in Bros, so let's see what happens. Unless we got something in between that. Do we have anything in between in Bros? 49.13 is the 15-minute in Bros. So let's put a little out there. 49.13. And then we got 48.50. But I like 49.13. Small. $49.13 and 48.50, Bros. Leave it out small. Yep. Come on, go down, Bros. Go down, Bros. Don't bounce from here. HLBZ. Little pullback in HLBC. Let me know where you guys like that one. Just keep Bros small. We'll get a bounce from around those levels if we get there. 31 in what? HLBZ? Yeah, I like that. That'll probably halt down there, though, if we get there. And then VC, I don't know. There's nothing there. We didn't get, did we miss Myrna, guys? Nah, we missed the Myrna by 30 cents. It went up $3. Oh, my God. Cancel it for now. We missed Myrna by 30 cents, guys. 420.30 for a $2 trade. You got to be kidding me. That would have been a spicy meatball. You got it? Well, take profits if you got it. Absolutely. Take profits. Oh, $4. You got to be kidding me. And Bros missed by 2 cents. Let's give it one more minute here, Bros. We still might get it. I do like the 48.50 though. Myrna was spectacular, guys. Oh, you're kidding me. All right, let's wait till 48.50 in Bros now. That's a spot. 48.50 and 47.75. Bros just went up $1, guys. We missed it by a couple of pennies. I can't believe we missed Myrna again this morning. 20 cents, guys. 20 cents. Same thing that happened yesterday. Went up $4. Bros missed by 2 cents and went up $1. Come on, really? Oh, my God. That would have been our morning already, right there. Myrna and Bros, right? All right, let's go. Forget about it. Got to move on. SDC, we sold at 670 this morning. I'm hanging. Don't like it. I hate you, Bros. You got to be kidding me. Oh, can't cry over spilt milk. Look at Myrna, guys. Really? Cat for a swing. We'll talk about longer term stuff a little bit later on. Ramon. I don't think it matters if Evergreen goes out of business or whatever. I don't think it makes a difference. SQ 2160, guys, if we go in that direction. 2160. Roku stretch. Let's take a peek. Yep, certainly was. Probably just gave you a far from moving average trade, Chris. In Roku. QS 2210. 2220 QS could be a little level. Yeah, that's the pivot point. 2220. That's a little spot in QS. Yeah, it's a little early to be talking long term, but we'll get to it. Where do we like HLBC, guys? Let me get rid of this stuff. We got 3360, 3120. Let's have about 3120. Yeah, I like it, Lou. Do it small because it could halt there too, but if it gets to 3120 and holds, we'll size up a little bit. But it could be a halter, so keep it small. Roku IRNT. I mean, Roku's setting up early for a better trend on a pullback. I would not be running in and buying it here. Look at Myrna. I mean, really? Up $8. We missed it by 30 cents. $8. IRNT. Wow. Another crazy one. You got filled on 9 shares of Myrna. IRNT short is 35.27 if we can short it. I don't know if we can. And again, it's setting up for a better buy. And no, it is not shortable. So IRNT definitely looks like a better buy on a pullback. Bros killed us, huh? No, didn't kill us. We missed it. Happens. Sava's a bloody mess right now. I don't see anything either way. ATER. Doing its crazy wackadoodle stuff again. Okay. ATR again. Setting up for a better buy. ATER. I would not be shorting it. Weren't the spiders just getting crushed? Oh, guys, this is just a very choppy, all over the place market right now, just like yesterday. HLBC, you like 32 now, Sam? What's 32? I ain't got it. What is that, Sal? Is there something there? All right, I'll do small at 32. We'll add a 31.20. Sal likes 32. We'll try 32. 32 and 31. 31.10, so we don't miss it. Yep, Sally likes 32. We'll buy it small. 32, 31.20. Small. Uber trend trade. All right, Bros is spiking down again, guys. We got 48.50 and 47.75 in Bros. I like both guys, so do it small. 48.50 small, 47.75. This popped down. I want it fast. Roku getting stretched. Give me some levels. I don't see a level to short it. 331, Roku. 331. Cancel HLBC at 32. Okay. So like the 31 in HLBC. $331 short, yes, and Roku is good. But we ain't going in that direction. How'd you get in Bros? Anyone in Bros at 48.50? I didn't get it. All right, put some out at 48. No, we're in now. Okay. Again, guys, I'm going to add to this at 47.75. Put some out at 48.80 to sell. Go in that direction. Got a 50-cent spread now, this thing. Now 48.80 and 49.20 in Bros. 48.80, 49.20. See if we get a bounce from here. We don't want to add now. We'll have a 48 stop, 50-cent stop. Sold 48.80. Offering the bounce at 49.20, guys. Break even stop now. You guys took 50 cents, 49. All right. Trying to get 70 cents. You guys all got out of 49. All right, good. Take the quick 50 cents. Nothing wrong with that. HLBC bounced off the 200. We weren't there. Nah, 31.28 was the level. 31.28. Didn't quite get there. We were bidding 31.10. All right, everybody took 50 cents in Bros except me. I'm giving it another minute. ASAN. Whoa. Yeah, 114.60 ASAN is good, guys. 114.60. I like it. 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 Putting it out. ASAN, guys. 114.60. ASAN. Full trade with a stop. All right, guys. I'll take 49 with you guys if you all got out. I'll try to get 49. Don't bounce, ASAN. Keep going down. All right, I got out of the bros with you guys, my bros. ASAN is good. HLBZ, let's take a look. We still like HLBC down here, guys. Solid 3110, 3120. ASAN, I'll have like a 50-cent stop. It might be a spot to be aggressive down there, though. All right, no orders in HLBC. Let's let it do what it's got to do. Yeah, 114.60 in ASAN. We're going to be down $3 and hit a pivot point. So I like that. We'll have like a 50, 60-cent stop. You're trying HLBC at 31.40. Let's take a look. I think it's probably okay there. Let's do it small, and if it holds, we'll add to it. I like it. Let's have just like a marker. Don't commit much of anything. 50-cent stop. If we hold 31.40, we can do a little adding. But again, guys, don't commit much at all here. Putting 10 shares out. Yep. The spread's tightening up. That's nice. So let's see what happens. Come on, ASAN. Go down another $1. Do it. See, guys, told you to be patient. We would have got 49.20 in bros. You guys made me get out too early. What's wrong with you people? I guarantee some people in my room are still in that. Guaranteed. Yep. Hey, you got to play the way it was, right? There you go. No, now you can take your $1. Very nice. Got bros 49.20. Why 49? Oh, you got out at 49.20. Excellent. Good, Richard. Yeah, it worked for almost $1. Cancel ASAN. That bounced. HBLZ is hanging. BNTX. Myrna. Myrna short. I know. I wanted that one too, Brian. I would have been aggressive down there. Yes, Myrna short. 435, guys. Absolutely. 435 Myrna. I'll put it out. Now we're rallying. Wackadoodle. 435.15 Myrna. Full trade. INDP. Sorry. Again, INDP is like a lottery ticket. If you like it, you buy it, you put it away. Myrna, you got to give at least $1.50. AMD. No, nothing here. Spike up, spike down, AMD. I don't see it. Spike is firmly above that 437 again. Did some number come out or something? Why is the market so strong all of a sudden? A lot of peeps in the room with short VIXI, average of 31.50 yesterday. 27.70 in VIXI could be a spot, guys, to buy a little. Yep, it's turnaround Tuesday. I got to have everything. That's because everybody and their, you know what. We just missed HLBC by 18 cents. It went up $1, guys. Right? Look at that. 31.40. It got to 31.58. Really? All right. Cancel. That's redonka-donk. I know, it went straight up $1. So that's 2 trades we missed by a couple of pennies. Oh, well, it is what it is, guys. Tesla is breaking out to the upside with the market. All right, well, if we're not going down, let's go up. Nah, you had the right lures in the water, Lou. We can't make things hit our targets, right? Bros made 50. All right, so if you trailed a little bit of Bros, you got $1.50 on the last one. Alex got $1.75 on Bros. Very nice. Very nice. That was a spot to be aggressive. We broke it by 24 cents. Whack. Peloton. Peloton better up than buy, right, Chris? Trend trade, yes. UPST. Floating around the middle of everything. I don't see it. Lucid Motors broke out yesterday. Continuing again today. Holy mackerel. Yeah, Lucid, this is day 3, guys. This thing's getting stretched. We don't quite have the RSI yet, but I'm putting a short at 2670 in LCID. LCID. 2670 Lucid. Short. We spike up. D-Dog, Pfizer, Myrna. All right, we ain't getting Myrna, guys. Don't post big misses. I don't care about big misses. Post where we should have got in the trade, Jim. $2 off the pivot point in BNTX. So all my Benzinga peeps, everything we're doing here is based on our technical analysis. So you see BNTX just exactly hit our pivot point, went down $2 in 10 seconds. So the kind of trades we're looking for. HLBZ. 28 HLBZ. All right, let me know if we get there. ASAN. All right, let's put it out again. ASAN 114.60 for a couple minutes. Do it. DKNG, a couple of people just post automatically. We'll talk about that stuff in a little bit, Franklin. What do we got in DKNG? 53.33. Done. Do it, guys. That's a far from moving average trade down there, too. All right. Donkey Kong, I'm putting a marker, but we'll size up if it holds it. 53.40. 53.40. Rose went to 51. Someone shoot me in the head. Oh, my God. Wackadoodle. Rose is a short at 51.25, 51.40. I don't think anyone can short it, though. No, so we were right for $3. Not the end of the world. What are you going to do? SPIR. The hell's an SPIR now? Guys, these things are wackadoodle. 51.40 could be a little spot in Bros to short small. I'm putting it out small if you can short it. Small, 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 small. HLBC, you got some on the trend, guys? Anyone get HLBC at that 31.20, 31.30? You're up $1 in it. Why do you guys talk me out of that one? What's wrong with you? Good. Take profits, guys. ASAN still good. So we got $1 off the trend in HLBZ. Giving ALCN another minute here. Good, guys. Yes, you stick to the rules. All right, again, let's give ASAN another minute here too, guys. I like where we're bidding. 114.60. Check the spread. DKNG bounced. Yeah, of course it did. All right, just leave it out for a couple of minutes. Give ASAN another minute or two here, guys. NNVC is halted for news. I don't know what the news is. Yeah, I mean, QS hit the trend down here and it's ripping up. I don't see anything. You missed Bros somehow. How did I miss Bros? How did Bros not take me at 51.40? Take 50 cents in Bros on the short. How did it not take me? It went up to 51.45. Oh, come on. All right, did anyone get the short in Bros? 51.40? Take profits. You're up 80 cents in already. Beautiful. Ah, is that what it is? They took the short away? No, I still have it. All right, I got a beef with them, guys. ASAN, I know I canceled. They owe me that trade. It's impossible for me not to have executed that trade. The stock went down $1. Yeah, we had the short. I mean, I'll show you why in Bros for my Benzinga peeps. Technical analysis. That was a trend trade. It exactly hit our level at 51.40, and it's given $1.20 trade off of it. So when the stock is down, moves up to our trend line, we short. It exactly hit it and gave $1 profit. Insane. I have a legitimate beef with that one. Guys, you still in HLBC, guys? Stock just went up $4 from our trend line. 32.25. It's up $3. You know the rules for a trend trade. You should still be in some. Wow, 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 wow. Talk about a beautiful trend. Yeah, I mean, it just traded at 35.75. You should have been in and out of that one. Very nice. Still like .com, guys. We'll look for moving average if we get down there. Yeah, well, we love volatility, man. That's what we want. This one's been fantastic. HLBC, and it's held the levels. That's the beautiful thing. It has held the levels. And if we look at Bros, guys, technically, exactly held our 200 EMA. Could not get above our 15-minute trend line. Just spectacular. So far, everything we've done today has worked. We missed a couple. What happened in SPIR? Wow. Talk about a nice short. What is this thing? SPIR. Little spready here, right? 1540 is the trend line in this thing. 1540. I don't know if it'll halt there. Let's put a little bit out at 1540. This thing just went down $2. Roku double bottom. We'll try a little bit of this at 1540. If it doesn't halt, do it small. Peloton trend trade, Roku. Certainly was a far from moving average trade. I can't short SPIR though. Cancel beat down. Peloton trend trade. I mean, if you got Peloton, it just hit it. All right, 102.20. Peloton. That's the trend. All right, see what happens. You got 101.80 there also. I was a little late, so I didn't do it. From 102.20, guys, I would add a little at 101.80. Small. Yes, the market's very choppy right now. We're up, we're down, we're sideways, we're all over the place. Nice job shorting it. Yeah, Ronald, those are always good buys long term, longer term. Yeah, I mean, look, Bros is ridiculous, right? I mean, 47.75 was a little spot. That thing just spiked down $3. Got to be kidding me. Guys, this is a very tricky market right now. So let's be a little patient. Very tricky market. I don't know what to do with Bros. This thing just spiked up and down $3. Lucid's still a better buy than sell. Airbnb. Yes, that's a nice trend trade, Airbnb. DKNG still looks, it's not bouncing that much. We'll see what happens here. We got 15, 40, and 15 in SPIR. I like both. 15, I'll double up to 100 shares. See what happens. Rose looks like a sale. I don't know. It held that level again. HLBZ. Yeah, HLBC is a buy. Buy. Again, we need a pullback to get back in now. MAR. Marriott. 140.188. I don't see it. I like 140.40 in Marriott. 140.40 would be a good spot. I mean, you know that stock better than me, JM. Sitting on levels right now. The 10 a.m. reversal. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't see much in plug here. It's only down a whopping $1. No big deal. AFRM. 105.10 is weekly in AFRM. All right, let's see what happens with the market here, guys and girls. All right, we're not getting SPIR. That ain't happening. We're not getting Lucid. That ain't happening. Myrna. 428 is a trend, Myrna, but it just missed it by 70 cents and rip up. Oh, man, my back hurts. RWLK. Do not like RWLK. It's a dollar stock. Donkey Kong reversed on us. Yeah, all right, let's just leave there for a couple minutes, see what happens. Myrna 426.70. Yeah, we got 426.30 is the 65, Jim, so I like it. Life and Sava. This is great. The volatility is great. Life, I got nothing. Sava, definitely a better buy than sell. Sava. We're coming up from what, 49.30? Yeah, 51 could be a little short in Sava. I don't know if everybody can short that one. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. But 51.04 could be a little short in Sava. Savarino. QS trend trade. Yeah, that's going to be slow though, Ken, but it's good. All right, everybody should be a little green this morning anyway, right? Little green. Some of you guys are big green that caught a couple of these trades, but certainly slowing down a little bit now. Held Bros long enough to be happy today. Good. Biden speaking at the UN. Whoop, whoop. Uber, nice bounce off the trend. Yeah, went up 50 cents. SPIR. All right, we're going to try it small. 15, 40, and 15 small. Just pop down. UPST. Wow, UPST just hit the level at 302 for a short. All right, we got a little SPIR at 1540. We'll sell half of it at 1560. Take a little trade if we can. Sold half SPIR for 20 cents. Again, it's a $15 stock, so. 1590, guys. We'll take our trade in this. Look for another spot. We'll try to have a break-even spot. Stop. Ooh, out. Nice. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Oh, a couple of people sized up on that one. Nice job. Boom. 50 cents in what, 10 seconds, guys? In SPIR. All right, that makes up for a couple of the ones we missed. Beautiful. Again, guys, we're traders. We're in, we're out, we trade. 50 cents. You know, someone in my room just bought 4,500 shares there. 4,500 shares and took 50 cents out of it. That's $2,200. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Yeah, UPST is a better buy. So I have people in the room, guys, when we're trading that trade 10 shares. They're just learning how to do it. And then thousands of shares. We're in, we're out. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, I still like DKNG if we get near that. Now we just move on to the next trade. That's what we do. HLBZ. Yep. I mean, I'd love another crack on the trend in HLBZ. Down around 32.90. Rack them up. Let's go. UPST. No, it's not a short here. There's no technical analysis telling us to short it. Everything we do, guys and girls, for my Benzinga people and people who are visiting, is based on our moving averages and pivot points. We're waiting for something to hit one of our moving averages or pivot points, and that puts the odds in our favor of those trades working. SPER, we had a 9 EMA support level. It hit it, gave us a trade. So everything we do. I don't hate well, I think AMC will be out of business by the end of next year. I went over a whole soliloquy about that yesterday, but I want to trade it. I'll buy, guys, AMC 37.80. 37.80 AMC. 37.80. That'll be a far from moving average trade. I bought a 30 put for this week in AMC. 37.80 AMC. That's our pivot point. I do not like AMC at all. All right, well, spiders again now could not hold that 437, so we got room on the downside now in this market, guys. All right, DKNG, let's get it right now, baby. Come on. Matter of fact, if you don't get it right now, I don't like it. Ugly looking stock. But I still like it if we get there right now. That'd be down $1.50. But we want it on this pop down. HLBC, we got to what? 36.95. All right, 32.80 HLBC. 32.80. We'll do it small, and if it holds, we can size up. No such thing as a triple bottom, Trent. Usually third time through, third time down, it's going through. Usually. Biden talking account turned into red. Oh. Not surprising. We are tankalating, guys. Tankalating. Promise you'll forget me not. I don't like SPIR anymore. Don't like ASAN anymore. Oh, nice, Willers. 50 cent stop in AMC. You don't need more than that. Guys, if that spikes down to 37.80, it's going to be a good trade. The market's getting crushed now. Canceling Donkey Kong. I don't like it. It just missed us. No, thank you. HLBZ. I don't know. Listen, it doesn't matter why the market's going down. All right, it's going down because more people are selling than buying. No ad in SDC, Melissa, until we get to like 580. Melissa, did you sell some at 670 this morning as suggested? 670 was the spot. Good. So we're in a little bit. Excellent. Yeah, no ad yet. Let's see what happens. SQ. Again, SQ couldn't even hit the 65. DKNG. Well, I was looking for 53.40, guys, not 53.50. It missed it by 3 cents. It's a good trade, Happy. Take profits. You got 38 cents already. That's good. We missed it by 3 cents anyway, but take profits. It's a trade. It's a trade. It's a trade. All right? Break even stop now. So once we have profit on a trade, guys, you're in at 53.50, you take 35 cents, bring your stop up to break even so you cannot lose money. And that's how every trade is done. My big concentration in the private trading room and the boot camp, guys, is on money management. That's what this is all about. Picking the stocks is the easy part. Knowing what to do once you get in a trade is the harder part. Yeah, I mean, Sava's just a buy. And again, I wouldn't run in and buy it here, but Sava pulls back to a trend line. It's a buy, 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 buy. Stock looks good. HLBC, let's see if we come in another dollar. Myrna, let's look. Lucid on the 15. That was number one. I don't know. With the market coming in like this, I'd probably be a little more patient. Maybe wait for 24.80. You want to try small 25.20, you got to add a 24.80 in Lucid. Okay? Yeah. I'm looking at Myrna. I like the 425.30 better in Myrna. All right, gives it a little more room to the downside. Yes, I like that. Yeah, I mean, being a little patient this morning now, guys and girls. Right, I would not trade, not day trade anyway. Yeah, Lucid, you could grab a little here, 25.20, 24.80. Again, I'm just being a little careful because the market is, coming in pretty good here. AMC bounce. A little bit. Yeah, cancel that. I ain't getting that. Not happening. QS is still a nice uptrend. VIX short level? Not unless we get above 32 again, Sharon. Spiders bouncing here. Again, where were we in the spiders yesterday, guys? 429? I mean, right? 429 we hit in the spiders yesterday, so I'm not in a hurry to buy anything right now. Let's see what happens. Time to be a little patient. Yeah, I mean, DKNG would have given us our nice trade or 53.40. Right, guys? We missed it by 3 cents. There's your 70-cent trade. I would be out and done. So happy if you got stock, you got a 70-cent trade. See, the gig is, guys and girls, we're looking to get in and out of our trades. That's what day trading is. I have people in my room that are trading 10 shares that are learning how to do it, and people in my room that trade thousands of shares that have been trading for a long time. But just think about it. If you bought 1,000 shares which everyone has plenty of buying power to do. I mean, you made $500 in a minute and a half. Same thing with the other trade that we have. So it's all a matter of getting to the point where you can just size up a little bit, which everyone in my room does after a month or two. Yeah, I saw the HLBZ, Lou. It didn't get that. ZM, again, nice downtrend, maybe 276.44. Toner, it takes time, okay? I mean, how many people in the Benzinga room are actively trading? Give me some ones. You're saying in some cases, the longer you're in, the more risk. No, Chris, no. I mean, once we're in the trade and it's working, I want you to stay in it and trail stock. Try to get the most we can out of it. All right, so we got a lot of people who are actively trading in the markets every day, right? Hey, Rita, how are you? No trade. Well, I think we had 3 or 4 trades today. Bros. No, we can't do bros at 48.40 again. But 47.75, let's have out. I like that. Bros. Just learning for now, Mr. Belfort. Yes, 47.75, bros. Okay, so what are some of the biggest problems you guys are having with trading? What are some of the biggest problems you guys are having? Is it not finding the stocks to trade? Is it not staying in your trades long enough? Is it not knowing when to make trades at all? Do we need to learn the technical analysis and the money management? Fear of missing out. That's a big one, Towner. Again, if you're using technical analysis, okay, selling when is too soon and holding loses too long. I mean, that's what it's all about, right? Taking the profits and finding trades. Yes. Nobody has $5 million in buying power, Matt, but you build it up slowly. Not enough money to trade. Get that. Listen, technical analysis, guys, is the easier part of this to learn. I'm telling you that right now. The psychological part, what's between our ears, is the hardest part of trading. That's the hardest part of trading. FOMO is a function of listening to other people outside, people that you should not be looking at. Okay? I do not buy stocks, I buy companies. Well, that's different, Buffalo. That's, investing. We're trading. So it's different. But I'll tell everybody who's listening right now, don't listen to anybody else. Learn how to trade. Technical analysis is the key. That's it. 150%. Nobody in my room chases any of these stocks anymore, ever, ever, ever. I have some people that come to me that are in these stocks at ridiculous prices. Ridiculous. That are getting crushed because they held on to them. Right? All right. Canceling HLBC. We just missed it. Do I think Donkey Kong can hit 50 or below? Sorry, guys. I know it's DraftKings. Yes, I think DKNG can go down. You have to learn how to short, Brett. Shorting is half of our trades. If you don't learn how to short, you're missing half your opportunities. But don't listen to any of these people out there who are telling you these stocks are going up endlessly. It just doesn't happen. That's how you get caught. Yeah, I mean, Uber just looks great. Never really broke the trend. Chased EDSU yesterday, and now I'm getting crushed. Yeah, that's what we avoided, all costs. Oh, that's KK. Oh, KK, when are you going to learn? You know what the most expensive mistake you ever made was, KK? Tell you what it was. Being short-sighted and going on your own and not being willing to pay for the room, which would have saved you gazillions of dollars. And it's just going to get worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. There you go, Bruin. Exactly. Yep, KK's on Benzinga. He's down $35,000 in EDS set. Yeah, you got to learn how to short. You got to learn both sides of trading. Bros. Still like bros. Let's give it a couple of minutes. HLBZ hit the trend, guys. Yeah, I don't know if I like that thing anyway. KK, you're down $35,000. Okay, look, I don't want to have this conversation here. So you can afford to lose $35,000, right? But you can't afford $500 to be in the room. That, please, let's not even talk anymore. Well, we got bros, guys. 47.75. Put some out at 48. That was fast. Try to have a 50-cent stop in bros. We getting weak here. That bros has a 50-cent spread now. Really? 47.20 is the 65. All right, it's probably a spot to add a little. Should have not got stopped out. Only went down 20 cents. 36 cents it went down. Ah, 47.75. 47.25 is a stop, guys. Why would you get stopped out? Sold half at 48. I'm going to try to sell the balance at 48.30. Now, putting 25 shares at 48.10. Selling another bid at 48.10. Sold some at 48.10. Try to get out of the balance at 48.40. Looks the market stinks here. Break even stop now. Why is Lucid running so hard? I don't know. It's been good for a few days. I'll tell you what, it's getting stretched though. One more day and Lucid's going to be a short. I'll tell you that right now. It is getting stretched on a daily for shizzle. For shizzle. I hate the spread in this Lucid now. I mean, in the outbreak even on a balance in bros. I hate the spread in this thing now. Oh, it didn't trade at 50. All right. Why am I always drinking from my sippy cup? It's my coffee. Come on, bros. Come on. One more pop up here. What the hell was that? NNC's got to be news. That's why it's halted. Yeah, it's news related. All right, trying to get 48.20 in Bro. Actually, 48.10, guys. Move on to the next trade if we get it. Sava. Sava just went to 52.50. How about we buy some Sava at 50.21? That'll be down $2. I like it. Sava, 50.21. Yep, 50.25. Full order, yes. Yeah, they can halt on news for a long time. Yet again, another loss. How could you have lost in Bros? You can't have a 30-cent stop, Scott. We are 4 for 4 today on trades, maybe 5 for 5. Everybody good in Bros, guys? We got 60 cents, whatever. So we have certain rules on every trade that we do, Scott. And we have certain stop orders on every trade that we do. But we always have to risk more than 30 cents. You can't risk 30 cents. Everything could just rip up and down on you. You'll get stopped out constantly. You know what I'm saying? But you can't. We have 50-cent stop on most trades that we do. Let's see if Spiders gives us another leg down. 45.23 next in Bros. What is that, Nestor? I love it. That's a spot to be really aggressive, but I don't think we're going to get there. That wouldn't shock me. Pros, good practice, trade, learning. Dana, in what rule do we ever have where we've had a 30-cent stop in any trade that we've ever done? Ever. Exactly, none. Nah, Scott, look, a couple of things. Maybe you should buy the course that we have, which we'll talk about before we get out of here, that tells you exactly how to trade. I mean, it's 6.5 hours. The course that we do, and it comes with mentorship on every Thursday night where we, no, do not re-enter Bros at 47.75. Roy, what do you never hear me say? SPIR. All right, good. Yeah, SPIR held the trend 15.25, spiked up to 16 and change. I wouldn't touch it now. Maybe 14.10. You are awesome, David. I'll hire you. Hire me for what, Kathy? I just bought win at the pivot, hoping for $1. All right, see what happens. 79.50. Keep it tight. I wouldn't hope for $1 though. Not in a $79 stock. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I am not in a hurry right now in anything. I want to let the market settle in a little bit. Look at HLBC off the freaking trend again. 32.70, 32.80 was the spot in HLBC, right? It's up $4. Oh, to trade for you? Oh, HLBC has been a beautiful trend for multiple dollars today. Jeez Louise. Yeah, so in win, you start taking profit for 35 cents, right? You bought some at 79.50, you sell some at 79.80. Raise your stop up to break even so you cannot lose money now. And see if you can get a little more out of it. And that's what we do on every single trade that we do. Once we put some money in the bank, which I want to do on every trade. Raise your stop up to break even so we cannot lose money. That's what day trading is about, okay? What do you think of analyst recommendations that are way above the current price? Need them, just put a $35 tax on real. I guess they are. Web, I don't listen to anything an analyst has to say ever. They're always a day late and a dollar short. There you go, Jim. If we listened to analysts, everyone would have been short the market last night and got killed today. So, yeah, Sava bounce. We're not getting it. I'll tell you something right now, guys. There are no experts in the market. Not Jim Cramer, not anybody that's on CNBC, none of them. Okay? None of them. You know what the only positive thing that you could say about the stock market that everybody will always be right is that over time it goes up. That's it. It's worked for 150 years. But as far as trying to pick where a stock's going to go in the next month, 2 or 3 months, nobody knows. And I repeat, nobody knows. And one of the biggest things I teach all my traders is never follow the crowd, guys. Because most of them have no idea where they're going. Okay? Never follow the crowd. UPST 312.14 could be a little short. Yeah, I mean, bro's got a dollar bounce off that. Which we kind of figure it would, and it just took a little time. I hate AMC. I would not buy AM. 37.70 would have been a spot in AMC. You know, we didn't quite get there. No, there are not any stock whisperers. That's for shit sure. Pardon my language. No. So every time we got in this bros, if we waited like another 10 minutes, we would have got a minimum of $1 on the trade, right? Every single time. All right, so we live and learn. Sava going back down. Yeah, again, Sava 50-50 is a spot on a pullback. 50-50. There is no such thing as important news, Bob. Even when news comes out in the stock, we're still going to use our charts and our technical analysis to get into trades. So it doesn't matter what the news is. And again, we're not completely ignoring the news. It's very, very important. Like I could not trade without Benzinga. And sometimes the stuff on Benzinga Pro comes out much earlier than anybody else. And it's tremendous. So we got to use a poo-poo plat, a combination of everything that's at our disposal. Our charts, our money management, news, scanners, everything. Yeah, DKNG, that was the trade, guys. All right, it worked for 30-40 cents. It's done. That's it. The trade is over. This thing looks like it's going to go lower now. Have you ever traded with Benzinga? Meaning what, Solar? I want to know. The market's heading back down. UPST. Not trying to be difficult, but you have said multiple times you were done with Sava because it's wackadoodle. Yeah, listen, I'll do that with some stocks. If I've had difficulty with them in the past, I just won't trade them, Hanks. But when people in the room ask me, I'm going to give them, my levels. UPST, guys, we like to short up here. 312.44. UPST. I like it, but I think it's going to go down from here. Keep your eyes on it. 312.44 in UPST. Bros short on the trend. Let's look. Let's see. We got 49. I definitely like 50.74 in bros. So if we want to be a little conservative now, Adam, let's put out 50.74. I mean, 49.80 you can do small, but I like 50.74. Everything when you're trading, guys, is about putting the odds in your favor. And by using technical analysis and the proper money management skills, we put the odds in our favor of our trades working. That's the bottom line. Yeah, I don't think UPS is going to get there, Ken. But yes, it would be $1.50 stop with brackets. But let's see what happens. It's all about hitting singles and doubles, guys. That's what this game is about. Being consistent. Live to fight another day. All right, NUE. I'll tell you guys where I really like it, and I'm kind of going to be an aggressive buyer if this happens. $88.45 in NUE. That is a spot I really like for a swing trade. And then we got 80 below that, but this stock is really taking it on the chin. Let's see what the relative strength is. We're still at a 27 RSI, so technically it does not fit our swing trade criteria yet, but if we get to 88.50, it will. So that's where I like that stock. Longer term, which I will always give you my longer term thoughts. Because we do swing trading and we do options trading. EDSA, any hope it will go to 12? Oh, that must be KK. I hope it does for you. I hope it does. Yeah, I mean, Uber's just a beautiful trend trade. It has been all morning. Ooh, in UPST, guys? All right, be careful with this thing. You know, if you get a quick dollar, just get out. So, you know, have bids out. 311.50, 311 maybe, real quick. What's the market doing? Market's coming in again. All those guys loved X when it was all the way up there. Yep. Fast money, all of them. The stock's gone down 50% since where they liked it. Again, that's what they do. They pick these stocks at all-time highs. That's what happens. Yeah, Uber's been a great trend trade all day. And we're coming up against some longer-term resistance in Uber. 43.50 and then 46. HLBZ's popping. Come on. HLBZ. Holy crap. You got to be kidding me. Not only did Kramer say buy DD, he said buy all the DD that you possibly can. I mean, we can't short HLBC, so just spiked up $4 again for no reason. Donk. It got halted? All right. Yeah, exactly right. I'm with you on that. I want to know what's Bros doing. FDA on Wednesday. Wednesday we got the Fed too. Wednesday's going to be a big day. I'm a bag holder in DD. Do you think it will ever recover? No. I'm being honest with you. I mean, you never know with these Chinese stocks, but not for me. Not for me. I want to know HLBC. Do you know a broker that allows you to short stock above 100%? I'm not sure. Can't get out of what, Lou? HLBC? When are you in it? I didn't see that. Yeah. 33.18. Melissa, you still have some HLBZ? 350 here and 100 likes. Yes, HLBZ is halted. Excellent. No, I'm not putting any orders out. It's halted. Let's wait. Canceled Bros for now. Nothing to do there. What DD is China. Some kind of China thing. I don't know what it is. SPIR. Let's look. Nah, I don't like SPIR. It's kind of just sitting there. Sitting on the trend line, not doing much of anything. Uber on a pullback. Yeah, Uber's a better buy than sell on a pullback, guys. Yes. Palantir. Nah, Palantir I don't like. I like it if we pull back to like $25 for a swing trade. That would be good. All right, you guys got to give me 1 second. Yeah, you had a 50-cent profit in UPST. Ken, they screwed you again? How is that possible? Guys, once this thing went up and came back down, it's a break-even trade, which everyone could have got out of break-even. Pass my cover. No fill. Pop up. Oh, my God. That's ridiculous. Redonk-a-donk. All right, let me run through the boys real quick, guys and girls. No orders for the moment. I'll be back in 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, guys, what's going on? Market's kind of just sitting here. Sava, what's HLBC? What is the wow, 40. It's open now. Yes, there's sound, guys. HLBC. Really? Let's go to the 1 minute in HLBC. 38.02 is the 1 minute. 38.37. Could be spots to jump back in this thing. 38.37. Let's keep our eyes on it. Gotcha, Ken. You got to be careful for a halt on the way down now, right? SPIR. Switch to interactive brokers. That's what I would do. I've had one problem in 2 years. SPIR was great off the trend. Now it's rippy dippy. I wouldn't touch it here. You need a pullback, but if you got the SPIR at 1550, very nice. Rose breaking up. Yes. I'm not going to mess with bros now. I mean, 50.66 could be a little short. You got 50 cents on UP. Yeah, the 50. I'm surprised Ken's bracket didn't work, because when you first got in a trade, it worked for a quick 50 cents. Yes. I like SDC long term, but it's a speculative hold, Kevin. It's not something that you put a lot of money into. Okay. We've been trading around it. But I like it. Holding on to it. I'm not sure about the short and bros. Let it do what it's got to do. DKNG 5213 is daily. Let's look at that. Yeah, look at that. All right, we got to try that, guys and girls. DKNG 5213 daily trend line. You guys notice how it's switching charts and looking for these things? 52. And again, this is just a trade, but it's a daily level. It's a pretty big level. Good eyes, Chris. 5213. So we had to go to a daily chart. And again, this is all that we teach you in the course, guys. Everything we're talking about, you're going to learn at the Wall Street Global Trading Academy course, which comes with mentorship every Thursday night forever. Forever. Gold conservative, Scott. I find that I'm not fast enough. I'm using OCO orders. Now, most of the people in the room are using bracket orders also. We suggest doing that. So, Scott, I always go more conservative. If I have two that are together. No, bros double top is until 53.73, not 51.31. Again, I didn't like the short here. We wait. Let's see what happens now. Always be more conservative. Those of you who are struggling and need to learn a lot of the basics about day trading, guys and girls, let me show you this, because this is where you want to be. And I'm going to give you guys another special treat also. All right. This is where our course is sold, the Wall Street Global Trading Academy. 6 hours of video lessons. You have this forever once you sign up. We've discounted it from $500 to $447 only for Benzinga people. Let me show you what this course looks like. It's spectacular. It's the greatest thing I've ever done. Over 6 hours. It starts with basics, goes through every single thing you need to know about trading. Language, money management, chart basics, our trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, Bitcoin. And every Thursday night, guys, anyone who purchases this course, you hit this link at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard on Thursday night, and you get me and Peter live, and we teach you the entire course forever. So you get continued mentorship forever. Every Thursday night is recorded. So if you miss a Thursday night, you click on the week that you missed, and it's there. Hour and 22 minutes. Thursday night, we talked about swing trades, pivot points, and trading psychology. And it's all documented, every single one. Trend trades we talked about on 9/6 for an hour and 17 minutes. So Wall Street Global Trading Academy, guys, $447. You have it forever, and you'll see me every Thursday night to walk you through everything. Okay? That's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. What I will do before we go, and someone remind me, and this is the last week I can do it. You guys, anyone who's here, Fuse is not a big trade. I don't like it, Bill. The whole thing has been 30 cents for the whole day. Our average in SDC is $6.27. But we've made a bunch of money trading it. Dawn, because we bought cheaper, we sold high. We sold some at 670 this morning. So we're trading around it. Trading around it. Got win at 79.50. Let's take a look. Again, I don't look to buy stocks that are weak. You know, and just because we had a pivot point here, it hit it the first time and gave you a 50-cent trade. Second time's not going to be as good. Again, the stock is just ugly looking. It's a down trade. Hit my goal for the day. I am done. Bye, everyone. Nice. Nice kit. Yeah, I mean, Spirit, if we can short SPIR, double top would work nicely. I don't know if we can short it or not. SDC popped up to over $8 yesterday pre-market. $8 pre-market. Yeah, all right. We'll give DraftKings another couple of minutes here, Adam. AFRM. Yeah, I don't know if I like it. I like AFRM at 103.85. That's down $3.50 from where we were. Let's put that out. AFRM. Oh, don't be hesitant to trade, Ken. Put orders out, everything that lines up. Forget about what happened. There's nothing you can do about it. Certainly not your fault. 103.85 AFRM. Hey, dot count's just a better short. I'm canceling this. It's taking forever. Do you end the day with any overnight positions? Unless we're in a swing trade, no. We do not. We do not take positions overnight. So again, guys, bro, you know, at that 50.70, it got what? 20 cents above it and went down $1.20, bros. Look at that. That's a trend trade. Sick. CLOV. Do I think it's a good stock over long term? No, I do not. I mean, technically, the stock looks absolutely horrible. So, again, guys, I'm going to give you my honest opinion on everything you asked me about. And the answer to that one is absolutely not. It does not look good. Again, it doesn't mean it can't go up, but not for me. DKNG. Again, DKNG looks like a better short than buy. I'm not looking to buy it, especially with that news out. AFRM, give it like 60 cents stop. MAT's another one I would never buy. It's a $4 stock. No. Look, guys, I'm not saying you shouldn't have some of these things in your portfolio, but you should not be buying any of these things expecting them to go up, 20 points. Okay? I have some specs in my account. They're $2 stocks and $1 stocks and $4 stocks. So, no, VIXI unless we get above 32. I don't care. Good. When the market nosedives, it's better for us. Again, we're still 5 points above yesterday's lows. So, we're in nowhere's land in the spiders. Myrna, I like, yeah, you guys like 425.60, Myrna? Kind of like that. Do it small, right? We got 425.60 and 424.12. Look, if we want to get really conservative, guys, 424.12 is the spot. Right? That would be down $8. I'm waiting, because the market's coming in pretty good here. 424.15. That's a pivot point. It'll be straight down $7. Again, if you're going to do 425.50, cut your size. A firm bounced off 104? No. Oh, my God. Yep, that was the trade, guys. If we got 103.85, we would have had 50 cents in it already. Say goodnight to Hollywood. Don't like it now. Yes, we know, Sebastian. I'm not sure I like it, though. DKNG. I don't like it. It looks like a horrible stock. Just everything's starting to look really bad, guys. So let's just hang out. I mean, a firm would have been a beautiful trade. We would have got in, we would have got out. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Well, we'll see how much follow-through we get to the downside. I think so, Frank. It does not look good. Oh, remind me before we go, guys. All right, so, guys, if you buy that course, it's going to be the best investment you ever make for $447. The links are out there. That's WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. Number 2, yes, the course has options, Jonathan. Guys, write down my email. And this is the last week I can do this. dgreen927@yahoo.com. dgreen927@yahoo.com. Send me an email today, guys, and you can come hang out with us in the room for the rest of the week. Okay? Send me an email today. I will send you a link. You can hang out Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. dgreen927@yahoo. Thank you, Happy. Yeah, so anyone who wants to come hang out for the rest of the week for free, it's on me. Come on in. I'll answer any questions that you have, and we can talk for the rest of the week. Next week is my live boot camp. We have no visitors, and that's where I teach the entire course live for an entire week. Let KK in room. I tried, guys. Voodoo, if you've been in the room before, then no, don't take advantage of my good nature. Myrna bounced right off the pivot point. Fibby, all right, cancel that. But everybody else, come hang out for, the rest of today and Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And if you want to hang with us, you can sign up for the boot camp next week. I don't have a fib. It bounced off. I'm not sure about that. Are you going to talk with someone from IDEX today? And what's your opinion of the stock? IDEX. Again, can have a little bit of it in your don't give a crap portfolio. What do I think of Warrior Trading? No comment. My mother always said to me, if you don't have something nice to say about somebody, don't say anything. So I'll leave it at that. There is no delay between my live trading and the orders I put up and everything. I am trading live in real time with my traders every single day. Okay? There's no delay. Whereas some other people, and I won't mention names, get huge positions in low float stocks and then have all 400 of their 500 of their traders go buy that stock, and the only one who's making money is that person. It's borderline illegal, and it is certainly immoral. And again, I won't mention any names of people who I think do that. So, and I know it's that some people charge thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars for their courses also. Our course is $447, guys. You pay for it, that's it, and you get me forever. My trading room is $500 per month, and that includes a live boot camp every single month, included. Everybody who's in my room will tell you they pay for my room in 1 or 2 trades. But there's no front running here. Okay? There is no front running. Every time I go into a trade, you see it before we get in it, not after with a delay, so I can rob from other people. Okay? And that's just my opinion. But I won't mention any names. Everything we do here is above board for everybody to see, for better or for worse, guys. And we do have losing trades. And we do have losing days. And anyone who tells you they don't is just lying to you. End of story. So we've had a particularly good September. It's been very good. We've had some days this week last week that were incredible. What else? I really don't care about anyone outside of my trading room, and I don't care about any traders outside my trading room. I'm here to help Benzinga because I love Benzinga, and I love their their products, which let's get that up there also. Guys, I couldn't trade without Benzinga Pro. Could not do it. The scans are incredible. The news service is incredible. You get a 14-day free trial. So got to get into the Benzinga Pro program, okay? 100%. Yeah, Friday, someone in my room just posted we had 7 or 8 winning trades in 30 minutes on Friday. 7 or 8 winning trades in 30 minutes. So sometimes we do good, sometimes. Yesterday, I don't think we had a trade all day, right? Maybe one. Yesterday was a crappy day. I didn't lose money, but it was a crappy day. SPR, I would buy on a trend trade, yes. Yeah, the market looks like it wants to go a little bit lower from here. One trade missed about 7 or 8 yesterday. Yes, correct. It's all right, Hat. So, guys, anyone come into the trading room, all right? You can start coming as soon as you send me a request and I take my break. I will let you guys in, okay? Starting today. Yeah, we missed a bunch of trades yesterday, Rich. Look, I'm going to tell you the truth. That's the bottom line. I lost $4K yesterday in Facebook trade. Yeah, that was a bad trade. I made 75 cents on the trade when we bought it, KCAT. We bought it and sold it for a 75-cent profit. Market's going down. I don't see what stocks are going down here, guys. I don't see much happening. So, guys, send me an email. Give me a little bit, and I'll get everybody into the room for today. Crypto is not my specialty, Jimmy, but I can talk about trading it. I mean, you know, crypto is...
If it's got a chart, David can analyze it.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I'll show you to it right now, quick. You know, here's Bitcoin. I know our time is short, but if it's got a chart, like Aaron just said, I'll go right to the daily chart, and you can see we broke the daily level. So our next real support is down around 39,100 if we were to spike all the way down. All right. I know we got to get going, Aaron.
Yep. It's been a fun couple of days getting some volatility back in the markets. I guess, yeah, no trading tomorrow, David, because we have our EV conference, but we'll be back. Oh, wait, no, next week you got your boot camp, huh?
Yeah, next week I have my boot camp, so I will not be around. That is correct.
Got it. All right.
We'll be back in a couple of weeks.
Yep,
one
David,
quick thing, Aaron.
it. Yep.
Guys, Benzinga, okay? Benzinga, please go there, check it out. 2-week free trial. It doesn't cost anything. Send me an email. I'll get you guys into the room for the rest of this weekend. Thanks for the opportunity, Aaron.
Beautiful. Thank you, David. We look forward to having you back in a couple of weeks. Good luck with the boot camp next week.
Thank you very much.
Yep, guys, we got that Benzinga Pro link in the chat. Free 2-week trial. No reason not to try it. We also have the link for SPAX Attack in the chat. Coming up right now, SPAX Attack Live with Mitch and Chris. Please go join over there. You do not want to miss out. They've got a big interview with Vacasa CEO. Should be a good interview. Without further ado, let's go ahead and head over to SPAX Attack.